Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to tag everyone in Facebook group. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Facebook application. Now tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. It will open up your messenger application. Now select the group. In the message box, type in @ and then select Everyone option. This option will tag everyone in Facebook group. Once you're done, tap on the Send button. And this is how you can tag everyone in Facebook group. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.